Frayu.
Yeah, how far now?
Correct.
Done. Officially meet Chidi. My cousin roommate for Anambra back in those days. When they all relocate to Lagos, Lagos boy like this original one. Chidi. Meet my Christmas friend Don.
Nah, how things now?
Boy, rough. Frayu never play in my city.
No, you tell me. You tell me say you want to go Lagos.
Yeah. But I won't sell my parlor first. You can need to raise money.
Okay.
My cousin won't carry me go Lagos. He said I go need money for resident permit.
Yeah?
Resident permit.
Say you go.
I will need money for resident permit.
Resident what?
Resident permit. Not be Lagos you come from. You know not resident permit.
Resident the Nigeria Lagos or America Lagos or what?
They say na from Lagos. Lagos na. Not be any Lagos. Now the Lekki side, Victoria Island side, VI. Here the big men, rich men, they stay for Lagos. You will need resident permit to stay there. And then they carry me go.
You don't go Lagos before?
No.
You don't go the Lekki before?
No.
What about the Lagos Island?
No.
Now thunder, now you go fire at your cousin. Even person when they go government house for Ikeja. You know Ikeja?
Yes.
You don't go Ikeja before?
No.
You don't go Alausa before? Where the government house there?
No.
Now thunder go fire at your cousin second time. You don't need any resident permit. Even ticket self you don't need to take on Lagos. If you see resident permit now, you go recognize her. You know her?
No.
You don't ever see her before?
No.
The thunder will go fire at your cousin. He go come with resident permit. Can you tell me that somebody told you that you need resident permit? For this Nigeria that we're in? Now, remember now. Are you not a citizen of Nigeria? And you believe the person?
No, verse. Now my cousin, no, I don't believe her.
What kind of Africano signal is that?
You hear her now? I don't tell her tire. Don't forget this thing. It's not the year word. Now you don't disgrace your entire family.
And your family will not be happy with you. It's not good. You need to be sharp. I tell you now.
No, verse. For now, I go sharp. You hear about the land where you want buy? My papa get correct land, though.
This guy, I don't know. You don't understand. It's not just a small piece of land I need. I need big, massive land. You understand me?
Yes.
Something that I'll put my hotel on top. How to build a hotel? Yes. Is the land by the road? That's another question with that.
Let me say that this my papa land that you need, though. The land big, the land there for road, the road go. In fact, this land self na road by itself.
For you, confirm? You know my style. If not so, now let us go. I will conclude to say the deal. Okay, say man.
Go.
Dawn.
Lace cat, this one when you dey knock, nobody dey answer you so. You not sure say they busy with your girlfriend. Why you not give them a chance?
Mama Joseph.
Eh?
Do you know if I have an important reason why I want to see him?
You won't get money.
Just let me be, please.
No verse. Now observation now I just did.
Thank you, oh. Thank you, Mama Observer. Thank you.
Eh.
Good morning, Mama
You do
Joseph.
well, never reach fight. Men are welcome. Thank God you don't come.
Good day. And you?
As you see this land, so the progress you see so. See, I'll show you something. You know they see the sand. See Anna. This sand, if you take a fry granite, you go be like say granite rub cream on.
Don't know.
See Anna.
They tell you say you won't buy this land so that they go come the pack sand to the fry granite.
It's not for agriculture now.
No, I just tell them the
A
benefit of it.
hotel now. I tell you right from time that na hotel, short stay. You know what is short time hotel? Short stay hotel. People come codedly, you know, come they will go.
Now the best place for that business be this one. Unless you say the place they coded.
No, they coded. Now from you, how you see the land now?
The land mature, it mature.
You reach a Lagos standard, abi?
Yeah, for maturity, yes, it mature.
So now, how far now? How much is it good for?
I'll just give you for giveaway price.
Now we are family now.
You don't need my guy.
Give me family price.
Because of you, you bring 25 million. Wait. Chidi. Chidi. Chidi they run. Chidi. What happened now? Chidi. You go price am.
Do you live here? I was only knocking on my neighbor's door.
And that neighbor of yours happens to be my future husband, my fiancé.
Show me your engagement ring.
It no matter. Then they use words of mouth. They do engagements.
Mama Joseph, can you for once in your life mind your business? It will do you a lot of good. This conversation does not concern you.
It has everything to do with her.
Tell her!
Please. And whether I'm wearing an engagement ring or not, please, just stay away from us. Stay away from our relationship, please.
And the last I checked, I wasn't intruding in any so-called relationship of yours. I have the right to associate or relate with Don the way I like. And just for the records, I came to discuss light bill with him.
Esther, you don't lie. Since we move come inside this new compound, now me they in charge of light bill. Why you they go knock door? Why you not come meet me?
Hey! Where's she going?
Oh,
Come and answer the question, no.
No, it's not. Mena. I like you, now make I won't give you this advice. If I may be you, I for don't use belete hook don't hey. You know why? People like their police cat when do I like electric bulb so. All they know now to collect people, husband and boyfriend that they look for. So if you know what's good for you, know what to do. I don't give you my own. Now observation now day. Oh. If you like, make you take them. If you like, make you leave them. I don't tell you. I leave you.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you.
Don, you know say you dey mad well. You dey mad well. Why you go open this your mouth where be like tortoise car bonnet so they cut 25 million naira for that land? You don't get respect for money. Wait, you know they fear money?
Wait, then I just asking price now.
Yes. So, you don't see how the asking price made the guy 200 meters away leave us. Eh? If they give you 25 million naira, you feel count am.
Hey, come, not just insult me. You know how many millions I don't count for this my life for inside dream. Why you think I dey get man they say I go make am? I must make am.
Oh, you go make am abi? Now you want to sell land where they say pond, give somebody for 25 million naira.
Okay, you know what? Call the guy, make on negotiate.
If for that switch off now, nobody had the try call ever since. If this money where you call, so you dey give person headache. He come on network for a phone. Eh? Don't switch off your phone now. See, reason better thing well. Make her go find and beg am. Okay. You call 25 million.
If you no shake it.
No fear of money.
I go reduce the price. Me not go be like say greedy. Go tell her me bring 24.8 million. Okay, what 23? 22 call. No, let me sell this land for you. Hey, I tell her me bring 20. So how far?
Baby, this should be the last time I'm asking for this request.
I hope there be money.
No. Can I have the spare key to this house?
But don't talk this thing past now. I tell you only one key now this house get. I don't lost all the spare key.
So, when I come and you're not in, I should just hang around like a loafer, Abi?
Oh. Now this one won't judge now. Eh? I bet what you cook come.
Why was Priska knocking on your door when you were not in?
I want to answer that one now.
I'm warning her. Oh. I've told you to tell her that she should stay away. We need space.
Oh, Mena, why you not give me food man shop? So that if you get energy to respond to all this your many interview. Eh? Give food.
Don't even know what she's looking for in your body. Be like a bonga fish. Like.
A bonga fish take cookie rice.
I'm talking about Priska. I said she looks like a bonga fish.
Huh? And I dey like bonga fish well.
What did you just say? Don, what did you just say? That means you like Priska now because I said Priska looks like bonga fish and you said you like bonga fish. That means you like Priska. Don, I'm talking to you. You are eating.
Hey, come.
Don. Like seriously. So you didn't deem it fit to apologize to me after the embarrassment at the bar?
As me and men I don't settle. I feel say no need to apologize to you again.
Yeah. Do you know you're taking my...
Now, good evening, no.
Welcome, Mama Joseph.
Can we go to your room and talk?
We prefer more talk inside.
Yes, please.
Don, you get one observation when they go on for this compound I want to discuss with you.
Observation.
Actually, now message of repentance. When they preach for our church today for Bible study, now I say make I come share with you as good neighbor. But it go good make we enter inside your room, go discuss it.
Mama Joseph, when you begin the carry shot for head, you will be say if your farm will one feather loss, you don't dey threat to say you go naked sweat juju give person.
Don sef, you know they hear when people they talk and say, give what belong to Caesar to Caesar.
Mama Joseph, good night. I don't want to discuss any message with you.
Good night, too. Well, no problem. Me I go sit down outside here till 5 a.m. They observe all waiting they go on for the compound.
Chidio, this one when you say it go take like 2 years for you before you buy the land. You know what? We'll just forget that first. We'll talk of how you fit to help me go this Lagos. Now how much it go cost me?
Don, I'm just telling me now. Abi, you don't tell me before. Yeah. But anyway, apart from your transport and small pocket money that you will need, you know, let's say 10 to 20K, everything nonsense.
10 to 20K?
You don't see us now. Not yet. Neither your useless cousin, where they do face like rabbit when they get kwashoko. They say now over 100K.
Over 100K? The person say bring over 100K.
Yes, sir.
Yes. The person does not want to take you to Lagos. Does not want to take you to Lagos. Because if I take you to Lagos, I will carry you, will take you to Short Rest Hotel. You understand me? You can even start working immediately in the place. There's money in short stay business now. You can start working, yes now.
Let me say if I feel raising money now. We can go Lagos tomorrow.
Where are you rushing to? Where are you hurrying to? You are relocating to another place, a new place. You don't rush in. Because in Lagos, if you rush in, you rush out. You want to rush out? So you now, I've told you the cost and everything. Understand me? You prepare so that when next I come, Lagos.
Eh?
I'm telling you.
Fire, that is my dream not come true.
Yes, yeah.
Amore. Well, thank you very much. You're a good friend. Thank you for introducing me to Chidi.
Yeah, but that thank you. If you take give me form of beer for like am.
Frayoko Bama. Let me happy person.
Baba, no, I beg, bring 4 bottles of beer for me. Your father.
Who say 4 bottle?
Now people they celebrate.
You really crazy.
Okay.
No, okay, make am 3.
I'm saying you mad.
Is it a carnival?